Traders in the currency market and the whole world continue to monitor the situation in the Middle East. As a rule, any conflict escalation forces traders to choose safe haven assets. That's why demand for gold and the US dollar is mounting. Today, during the European session, traders learned about the state of affairs in Europe, and thus the UK National Bureau of Statistics unveiled that a decline in retail sales slackened to -1% from a -1.3%. However, the data turned out to be worse than expected. Economists had anticipated a drop of 0.5%. Thus, once again, the data from Europe is not only below the forecast, but it's also weaker compared to the United States. In this light, the greenback resumed gaining in value since there will be no other report today. News about the geopolitical situation is the only factor that may affect market sentiment. However, the issue of such news and its nature could hardly be predicted. It will be wise to monitor the news feed. Against the backdrop, the euro-dollar pair posted its upward movement after it touched the resistance level of 1.06. As a result, the price dropped, allowing the US dollar to recoup some losses after the recent decline. To resume rise in the euro-dollar pair should consolidate above the resistance level of 1.0620. Otherwise, the current drop will continue towards 1.0500. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair climbed above 1.2150 amid a local sell-off of the US dollar. However, there were no significant changes and the trend remains bearish. If the quote continues falling, it may approach the psychological level of 1.2050, and this scenario may point to the continuation of the midterm trend. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.